Road to 200 subscriber na tayo guys. Salamat sa inyo sa mga sumuporta sa aking YouTube channel. Ngayon is mag-unboxing tayo ng binili kong MSI gaming monitor. Yan. It's 24 inches, 144 Hz. At pang dual screen ko to para hindi na ako mahirapan mag-edit and then mag-stream. Yan. So samahan nyo ako at bubuksan natin ito sabay-sabay. Let's go! Okay, bubuksan na natin guys. Sabi dito is check content if the seal is broken. So, di naman siya broken. So, good to go tayo.
Uy! Ito yung sa likod niya, yung stand. Kaya tayong talagang secure na secure siya. Uy, yung mga nalaglag. Yung mga wire. Huwag lang ito yung malaglag, kailangan natin ito. Uy, grabe. Iyak naman solo unboxing, Kailangan katulog. Ito yung monitor natin. Bukang sabay lang,
So, handa natin buksan. Uy, biyakin ng rambutan. Uy, ayun yun. Wait a minute guys. Ano yung ito? Agile. It's a curve. Yeah, mini lang siya kung nakikita nyo. Yun, no? Solid.
Yan, paano ito install? Install na natin agad para may tayo na natin, So, meron siyang kasama ito yung sa power. Tapos, ano to? It's either HDMI to HDMI to. Siguro nalaglag is DisplayPort. Pakuhaan natin. So, ito yung nalaglag. Isa siyang, yun! DisplayPort. Tapos, meron pa siyang mga MSI na guide na kailangan pa tayo. So, ngayon, install na natin. Mabilis na. Yung madali lang naman install. Kasi yung mga tornilyo nito. Isolde to. Kailangan natin itabi yung mga plastic. Paano pag ito? So ito yung ito yung nakabit siya dito. Ganito pa siya. Iyan. Flat. Ano pala to? Ilupit ko yun. Meron siyang para pwede mong i-hand tight lang. Lupit siya. Easy. Meron hand tight lang siya. Okay. Tapos, ano pang kunin yung screw? Dito pala yung screw. Hold mo lang. Para ito. Wala natin yung mga wire, sabi natin. Yung muna tanggalin, sir. At baka mas-gas-gasan. Ay, dito pa rin dalawang screw. Napakatipid naman sa installation, so okay naman. Ikakabitan natin ito dahil sa likod niya ng logo ng monitor. So, ayan sa dito is Philips. Ito, pwede na natin.
Yung mouse. Yun o. Yun. Woo! Ayun o, solid siya. Ang galing ko. Ayun o. Okay ba? Simple lang siya o. Pang dual screen din. Yun, okay na ang dual screen natin guys kung nakikita nyo. Ayan. So, ngayong araw, aalis muna ako. At may pupuntahan ako. So, samahan nyo. Let's go. So, yun. So, nandito na kami guys. Ayan o. Oh, alam nyo. Magbibisikleta kami sa karagatan. Ayan.
Kailangan ng exercise.
Ayan.
While doing an activity.
Hello.
Must be our captain
But most
today.
of the time you want to go forward because
Captain? Weird.
Oh,
Alright,
just
Captain, I'm gonna
open.
have you step in first. Step towards that center beam.
Okay. Go!
Parang gusto lang ako may hilo dito.
No. Okay, so, okay.
Alrighty guys, I'm gonna come over your head hand real quick. Okay.
Oh, nice.
Guys, are you guys just going for the 1 hour tour today?
Yeah, you still wanna know.
Alright, so we're starting here at this red dot, which is Point Loma Seafood's American Cup Harbor. Starting by following along this green dotted path. We're gonna be going right out towards those boats and those palm trees out there. You're gonna be heading almost directly towards them. Once you get out towards them, you're gonna start veering to the left. In about 10 to 15 minutes or so, depending on how fast you guys pedal, you'll come across these big white buoys. These buoys are signaling that the 5-mile speed zone is ending, the harbor is ending, and the bay is opening. We don't typically recommend going out there for the 1 hour because it could be easier for you guys to go over your time because you guys could get stuck out there.
Yep.
But if you guys do end up going out there, stick as close to the left-hand side as you can, about 50 to 100 feet away from anything that looks like that back there. Just to be on the safe side that you guys don't get stuck. And it is low tide right now, so just maybe keep it like 100 feet or so, just to be more on the safe side. And on that note, our number is on the inside of the boat if you guys have any questions or do get stuck. You guys can give us a call. We have a dinghy, we can either come save you or just talk you through whatever you need. Typically for the 1 hour, people just explore the harbor. I've heard of people coming out here over here to Liberty Bridge and being able to make it out there in 30 minutes and back in 30 minutes. It really just depends on your stamina.
Alright.
Any questions over the map at all?
No. So we have that one, so we're good to go.
Yeah. You have that one to follow along while you guys are out there. There is another path that cuts out here, right here to the left that you guys can take. It's at the end of this dock. You'll see it once you get out there.
Alright, let's go!
Ay, ang hirap
Ito pala mas madali eh.
Pang ano yan?
Uy, gawin ko pa magdaan tayo.
Exactly. Kaya pa itong kapitan mo. Ay, may sila yun.
Puntahan natin.
Uy, huwag ka lumapit.
Bakit? Hindi ka na masasakihin yan eh. Hey, let's race! Yes, I wanna race! Let's go! Ah! Ah! Nahihilo na talaga ako. Okay, tara na. Balik na tayo guys. My leg hurts now, you know.
Ready for a nap, huh?
Yep. Thank you.
You guys enjoy the rest of your day.
You too. Oh my god. Oh my leg. Saan na tayo?
Okay, cool.
So, let's go. So,
I wanna eat.
kain na. Mukbang time.
Yummy.
So, dito na sa pumunta ng aming video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Yan. So, ano nga yung pinuntahan natin?
Info boat rental.
Yan, ilalagay ko yun sa description below kung gusto nyo magpabook. Punta na kayo doon. May try nyo, you know. So, paalam. Nasaan na kayo, boy?
pinto sa labas.
Naglalabasan sila, nakalabas na yung iba.
Get over here. No. No way.
Ayan o, ganito pala, ganito.
Man,
Ah,
you
ayan
seen
o.
this?
Oo, ano,
Okay.
gagi.
Nasaan kayo? Uy, gago, nandito na siya. Nasa labas siya.
Ay, puta ka
Ina mo! Gago!
Sa other.
Nandito ako sa labas. Nasa loob lang.
Tapos na yan.
Ay! Gago! Putang ina! Putang ina, nagulat ako! Kinain niya ako, boy!
Kinain ka, boy.
Oo, putang ina, nagulat ako! Buisit!
Come here ka.
Nakayo tuloy ako. Ang bilis, sinabol
May
ako!
medkit.